So now, on the choir gotta do 2 songs, bitch. Like I'm in the Alabama, get on the camera rolls, never knew the animal. Shit is no amateur, child, the temperature, get damage, you are held to get 2 pounds. So I'm fight one on the back, one on the house. Ferrari in my 30, so I call that bitch a bunch of love. Canada on calendar, so shout out to my manager. I walked through with South Africa, I shot them up for Acura. I'm sleeping just like precious, so I'm sleeping just like cola. Hollywood, don't never catch you what. I am a so I see what I'm tatted like a rocker what. We are the so I see gang, tatted like a rocker gang. Set it up, wait it up, wet it up, and bait it up. You don't wanna get, pull up in my steady bit. Nah, you ain't ready yet. What up in your girl get? Don't she wanna, don't she stay? Don't you wanna see the boy? See the boy, see the boy. Time and take a Polaroid, Polaroid. Camera flash, I see your ass. Thinking with your licking ass. Don't come and take a camera flash. Every game amazing, car gang crazy. Put your man up there, don't you tell me take sight chick. When I hit the mall, cause I'm in the cold. You, I don't get your camera phone, I don't know the phone you. It's the first shoot, girl. Girl, it's the first shoot, girl. Real first two, every time on the first you. I don't get your camera phone, I don't take what up, man? In the chain, man, photographic memory. I can fuck a thing, but I don't propose an industry. Pushing Malafire, so I see you remember me. Remember me from TV, turn it on your TV. How cold they say they licking after me. How you licking after me? You know I had a murder beat. Yeah, I got a murder beat. But this niggas on the heat. Me and my little iron squeeze, give a nigga brain please. Hang on, figure that. Watch this on a figure it. Read it, I'm ready like a polar bear. Red carpet shouting, and the paparazzi chasing me. How they gon' catch me? It's a photo shoot. In order to be the realest on the app, you always got to be doing real shit. Let's start off with Charli and them fake ass, weak ass angels. Let's start off with them. Charli. Receipt check. Before we check my jury, let's check your receipt. What that say it cost? $156, right? Do we agree? $156, right? They don't even look like. Let me tell you why this. Let's go to the real receipts that he didn't show y'all. Let's get into it. $156, right, Charli? Look at it, bitch. Now let's look at it when they. Now let's look at it. That's my charm. That's my charm for the $156. The 1-inch daddy. You went and found the 1-inch daddy. That's how big my shit is. It take up 1 finger. So that's my shit. It take up 1 finger. It's a 1-inch daddy. That's number one. It's only 1 inch, Charli. But if you would have did your real receipts, you would see that. Oh my God. What do we have here, Barley? Barley. What we got here? Hold on, let me get mine. Barley. Barley. What do we have here, Barley? Oh my God. Hold it now. Hold it now. Barley. You ain't Barley. You ain't show him the 3-inch Big Daddy. You ain't show him that when it'll fuck your receipt up. You didn't show him that one, Barley.
Barley. You ain't show him Barley. That don't look like a one finger, Barley. Don't look like that little one finger daddy, Barley. Oops. Oops, get your receipt together. You definitely tried it. You definitely tried it, my boy. Barley, the 3-inch daddy. You went to the 1-inch Walmart daddy. You didn't go on the internet like you were supposed to find your Barley. Do it look like that's one finger? Do that bitch look identical? Well, what do we have here? It's called a match. Now, get another receipt. In Jesus' name, we want you to go back to your playbook. Do not have your fans embarrassing you coming in this motherfucker with shit like this for $156. Don't do that no more. You make the angels look bad with your fake, no detail having ass receipts. Fuck is you talking about? You ain't make me take off shit. When you know you got it, you ain't gotta wear it every day, bitch. Get you some content. Get you some content, my boy. Second of all, respect me, because you're trying to follow my footsteps. I'm having a party on the 14th and the 15th, and everything gonna be free, and I'm gonna get a mansion. You sound like you repeating what I said. And I'm gonna pay for 2 of my top contributors and contributors and all that. Shut up, bitch. Your party ain't gonna be shit. Your party ain't gonna be shit. Your mansion ain't gonna be bigger than mine, bitch. How about that? Oh, listen. No disrespect, but much respect in Jesus' name. All this king of the app, all that shit y'all talking about, you can never. You can never. You can never. None of y'all. I'm talking to everybody. Nobody excluded. The king is here. On my kids. I'm talking to everybody. You can't take over this app. I'm already the king. I gotta die for somebody to get my throne. Y'all a whole bunch of princes. Y'all princes for sure. But on this app, I'm the king. I don't give a fuck what nobody talking about. I run this shit on my kids. Ain't nobody running this shit but me and the church, the best family on the app. And I said what the fuck I said. We been doing this shit y'all talking about y'all doing. We been doing it, with mess included. These are facts. The best. Organically in that. I ain't got to say nothing about no list. I'm on that bitch. I'm letting y'all argue about the star list and all that shit because I ain't a part of that. When I come through, everybody bow the fuck down, nigga. Give a fuck who in your family. I don't care who in your family. I am the GOAT, nigga. I got this shit started. Give a fuck who come down here. I'm the GOAT. Organically. These are facts. Y'all arguing for second place. Make that be known. I'm talking to everybody family. Y'all arguing and fighting for second place. Don't drop nothing on my page, Miss P. I don't gotta watch the star list. I watch 3 million at the end of every month. Never recharge. These are facts. You gotta drop shit. We know what it is. We know what it is already. I see all this bickering and battling. I ain't gotta disrespect nobody. You can watch the live and see. You can watch the live and see. Shout out to y'all that's trying to be up and coming, but I ain't going. I'm still in my prime. Age ain't nothing, but I'm still in my fucking prime. Ain't nobody taking the top. These are facts. I'm the reason Kids to the Street didn't have their award ceremony because I won every category. What happened to that? What happened to the Bigo Keys to the Streets awards? They canceled them because I won every category. And I wasn't a host. Fuck is you talking about? I ain't a host and I'm still a host, nigga. Y'all mad as fuck. I run this shit. I ain't got to shoot at these all facts on God. Ain't nobody never gonna take over this shit till I die. I gotta die or retire. This my shit. You can have the most views, you can have the most beans, you will never have the most support. Ain't nobody got more people in their family than me. Ain't nobody got more support than me. And ain't nobody eating this bitch up like me without being a host. If you don't believe me, drop your host badge and let me see you get paid. Charlie only good as this app and you finna fuck your shit up. These facts. It's so many motherfuckers. Listen, there's so many motherfuckers at your head right now, boy. Do you know how many Bigo receipts they sent in on you from your live house? Misgendering and all that shit you was doing? They on some police shit with you, I swear to God. Watch what I tell you. You admitted you ain't shit without this app. Shut your broke ass up. Without this app, I'd still be in the college dorm, sharing a shared space for $125 a month, and I'm 25, and I just want to make sure you keep thanking your supporters when you ain't a host no more. Don't act like you ain't supposed to be a host. You got a foo-foo right now, bitch. You have to go overseas and buy your unbannable page back. Shut your bitch ass up. You ain't supposed to be on here. Come on, y'all, run it up, run it up. And that king of the app. That's it in the trap. Shut your bitch up before you get smacked. The fuck up with that weak ass rap you be coming out with. Hard ass nigga. You ain't do shit. Your brother gone. Bitch, what you do about that? You ain't even go to the funeral, you broke ass bitch. Ain't no nigga that cry at the airport because he got off the plane go ever motherfucking compete with me. Bitch, where's the ticket booth at? I'm getting another one and I'm leaving today. Sit your ass down with your bags and wait till they get another flight for your broke ass. Run your cash app up, bitch, so you can get your motherfucking flight home. Stuck at the airport with a carry-on. You ain't even go to the counter and tell them I need to get my luggage off the bottom because all you had was a carry-on, bitch. Now carry on, bitch. Act like you at the airport and carry on. Oh, no smoke with me. At the meet and greet, smelling like a meet and greet. Get your stupid ass up. You came somewhere smelling like outside in the city you from. 25 years old, still smelling like outside. Shut your stupid, stanky, nasty, musty ass the fuck up. You ain't put on no perfume, bitch. You did this in your live house with no hair. You did this with no hair. Stupid ass boy. My birthday is 6/6, y'all, and I'm 25. I don't know what you heard about. Shut your gay ass up, bitch. You talking like this. Why your top lip don't ever show your top teeth? A strong face ass nigga. Run it up, y'all. Eyes look like you can't open them. I'm high as fuck, y'all. I'm high as fuck, y'all. I'm high. I'm high, y'all. Shut your gay ass up. Open your eyes, bitch. They can't do nothing because it's in the Discord. I didn't go on live. I didn't go on Bigo and tell them to clip him, and I didn't. Shut up. They smack the dog shit out of you in real life. You better have security at that party, bitch. I bet you y'all can't go nowhere and kick it. I bet you your meet and greet have everybody in the motherfucking house for both of them days. I bet you don't frequent nobody's establishment. I bet you don't go out to eat. I bet you don't go to no club. I bet you don't go to no bar. I bet you don't do shit fantastic. I bet you be worried about where the fuck I'm at. I bet you have somebody watching me to make sure that I ain't watching you. Jetty, we in Atlanta, bruh. May 13th through the 16th. Nigga, pop up in Jesus' name. Pop up. What happened? Check your phone. Oh, I did just see you text me. My fault, I won't read it. I seen somebody at Ken the Barbie. I was seeing if she was really in here. Nope. Nope. Cuddy, I see you, nigga. I see you next weekend, nigga. I see you the weekend, Cuddy. Have it on deck, man. The weekend after next, the 11th, that weekend, I'll be down there. I promise you. I'm back in the 8th, the weekend after next. JoJo birthday this weekend coming up. Then the next weekend, I'm down there. Nope, I ain't. Nope. Nope, you gonna stay here. We staying out here, nigga. We staying free. See, I fuck with you. See, I ain't gonna do that. We gonna kick it. Yeah, we out here. Huh? Y'all seen 21. None of that energy she have online. That bitch act like she ain't see me right in her face the whole night. I had that bitch going to the bathroom. She went in the men's bathroom. I had that bitch on her P's, Q's, L's, I's, T's, motherfucking W's and Z's last night. Fuck is you talking about? All that energy you be portraying on, shut up. Scared to death. She seen 911, didn't she? She seen the police, didn't she? Bitch called the police on the nigga for frequenting a fucking bar, bitch. Jitty, I'm making sure you be there to May 13th, nigga. You coming too. I swear to God. This gonna be the best shit you ever seen in your life. Wherever P go, I definitely know shit. I'm bringing the women out. I'm bringing the women out for sure. If don't no niggas show up, I promise you it's gonna be 4-1. It's gonna be 4-1. Y'all be getting mad. I don't get mad when Brandon mentioned me, Cuddy, Scalp, and Dale kicking it. I love it. I love when y'all mention that. Because all the niggas you beefing with don't nobody even want to get cool with you, nigga. Because you a fake nigga. Don't nobody even want to fuck with you. Talking about you can't come. Don't nobody want to come back. You fraudulent ass nigga. And you still ain't gave Turk none of your energy, nigga. Ev still ain't gave Imani, whatever how you say her name, none of her energy. Why won't you get him back there? He's going in on you every day, bitch. Every day. You ain't gave him none of your energy. None. Ain't no real nigga, boy. Well, mentioning what he say, oh man, the star list. You want to go to the star list? Don't mean nothing. The star, you the same nigga was screaming. Look how many hosts I got at 3 million. When is your host go hit 3 million again? When is your host go hit 3 million again, my boy? What happened to supportive ass Brandon with all the big box PKs? Where's your pockets at? Let's talk about it. Funny money. Where your pockets at? Besides Miami at the Montclair store buying motherfucking coats for Cherry the Boom, bitch. Might as well put motherfucking Jerry the Boom on all your credit. That's what money, bitch.
Pastor P, I believe you. Last night, Brandon and Cherry was together. Cherry needed a new charger, and I already heard Brandon asking about the charger.
Let's talk.
Last night, she got dressed. He picked up from the hotel. She's on her way home from North Carolina. You were right. They lied. Brandon
Period.
and Cherry is together
Talk your
because the
shit, Mama
conversation.
V. Talk your shit, Ma V. Brandon, let's talk about you doing your live house with your jury tucked in, bitch. Why is your jury always tucked in, bitch? Why do you always tuck your jury, bitch? What you got it on for if you ain't gonna wear it, nigga? Fuck do you keep on tucking your necklaces for? Real nigga, hard nigga? Why do you keep tucking your chain? You fucked up my reputation. I'm at the club, Cuddy them keep looking at me when we get in line to go in, seeing if I'ma tuck my shit. I keep wondering why these niggas keep looking at me. They thought I was gonna do a branding or something. Boy, I ain't tucking shit. Open the door. Fuck is you talking about? And where the bathroom at? Better not play with me, nigga. In the D and all that. I ain't tucking shit, never. I ain't buy this shit to put it on my chest. I put it on the shirt. Like a nigga go do you. I wear my jewelry on my shirt just like a nigga go do you. Oh, we gotta send that to Bigo. We gotta send that to Bigo. I ain't tucking shit. Take it. Take it. If you was a real king, you would know you was always protected. Kings are always protected. If ain't nobody else the king, why you keep on doing all this whole shit? Security ass nigga. I need security ass nigga. Yay. You need security. I had your bitch ass walking around with that hat, a mask, and glasses on like you finna commit a bank robbery for the rest of your life, nigga.
Hey P,
What up?
you remember this? This why he don't want to address that. You remember this? Right here.
Climb a trade, well, shots we got going lazy. Cash money, I don't think our niggas can see that. Beef with me, I don't think you're ready to face that. Put money in front of watch I quick, I chase that. Nigga, give me the weed, man, I'm ready to blaze that. I'm a man, if it's my choice, I got
What they say, help? What Brandon say, help?
Talking and watch his face. I'm so large, I got a phone, the face ain't.
Hold on, here it come, P. Hold on, here it come.
I'm a fool, I got niggas how the hell. I'm hot boys coming, please somebody. They on fire, they gon' burn somebody. They got guns, they gon' shoot somebody.
I'm telling you, Brandon wasn't even around in that era. He was on the porch, nigga.
Neighborhood superstar, while we dispose of, nigga Clark and Chuck, hot boy soldier, expedition timber, hell, niggas be terrified of us, cause they know how we play, niggas hide from us, suck that G from the kid, I'm just a squirrel, I can't duck, I'm too late to fight, I'm a nail 2 weeks a day, so I'm riding night, respect, nigga, you playing with the wrong one, I'm breaking neck, nigga, you playing with the wrong one, I use case to wet, nigga, I'm spraying the whole run, better watch your back, nigga, now what, there's a rap, horse, niggas death with I was a death, niggas drop like, slag, keep joking here, and I'm gonna show you them about, respect my mind, and get your brains knocked out, respect my mind, and get your brains knocked out.
Come on, man. I was doing this shit back in 99, man. Fuck is you talking about when 20s came out? You, bitch, what was you, bitch, you Carlton Banks ass nigga? When I was, my daddy was balling and he was right.
Let me drop this theophany. You can just give it back.
All right, Miss P, do whatever you want to do, Miss P. Goddamn it, I ain't no host. They know what it is over here, Miss P. The fuck? Drop your theophany, Miss P. God damn.
At a young age, my father was straight. He slit a nigga throat and shoot one off in the face. He be murder case after case. He wasn't touchable, but he had a right hand man that wasn't trustable. Undercover slow, he made deals under the table, working for the feds. My mom used to work with the kids. My daddy got busted, and I got left for the dope. All the shit got repossessed, and my family was flat broke. Hey. To the point that I wouldn't smile no more. That was the same nigga that had on my daddy dope. I know he be shite, but this nigga just don't know. Swear to
I just started rap music in 2021 ass nigga. Get your bitch ass down. You supposed to be playing Neo, Justin Timberlake, Maxwell, motherfucker. That's what you supposed to. The same shit you was playing when you was motherfucking in the streets, bitch, with your good car putting together ass. Bitch, you was doing car shows. Got your ass ran out of LA, bitch. Mm-mm. Hmm? Shit like that. Turk said he gonna show you how to do 1,000 box PK. And I said, damn, that's the most shrewdest shit a nigga ever said. I hope that 1,000 boxes divided into 4 people because you only get paid for 300 boxes. 3 million is the goal. Don't try to be number 1 on the star list because number 1 on the star list is niggas that's losing and wasting people beans. If you hit 5 million, you a bitch ass nigga. You hit 7 million, you a bitch ass, thirsty ass nigga. Cause you got 4 million extra beans that you can't get paid for. You get them 4 million to somebody else in the family so everybody can eat and ain't nobody hungry. 3 million is the goal. You maxed out at 3 million. Your bank account is closed at 3 million. Fuck number 1. Number 1 in your pocket. We say they been there and done that. I'm still there and run that. Fuck is you talking about? Facts over feelings. You been there and done that. I'm still there and run that. It's a difference in our motherfucking hustle when it comes to this app. Ain't nobody on this bitch fucking with me. These are facts with no shade included. Nobody. Respect my kingdom, man. Respect my kingdom. Oh, respect my kingdom. Screen recorder, send it where you want to. Screen record it and send it wherever you want to send it to. I don't know what you would do for your respect, but I'll die for mine. The fuck is you talking about? You hear me? I fuck with you, Turk. I fuck with you in Jesus' name. But you giving Charli all this motherfucking Charli, where you at in Charli? Bitch, Charli, throw some gifts, you bitch ass nigga. Cause your name wasn't mentioned before this Brandon beef. I ain't bigging up your motherfucking gay ass nigga. These are facts. You a nobody on this app. You ain't shit. You ain't hit 3 million yet. And you keep talking about you the king. Gotta hit 3 million, bitch. How you a king and ain't never reached the top tier yet? The king sit at the top. You ain't have yet to touch it. You broke ass angels can't get Charli to 3 million. Now make me shut up. You broke ass angels can't get Charli to 3 million. Now shut me up. With your good Google motherfucking.com ass. Yo, YouTube.com live having ass. Charli with the T catch me. You better get up at 7:30 when ain't nobody else woke, bitch. Your number's up because we get to rest. We don't gotta get up at 7:30 before the motherfucking cock crow to get people to look at us. That dry ass T and that weak ass TV. The king got a TCL in his motherfucking background. That tender care loving ass TV. You got a tender care loving ass TV with no warranty, bitch. That TV only lasts 6 months to a year. Goddamn color go out on that bitch. You got a big flat screen black and white TV, bitch. Turk can line with me, King P100, man. I can line with anybody. He can, Miss P, hold on, Miss P. He can line with me. King P100, man. King P100, man. He can line with me. I fuck with the hot boys. Ain't no beef, but you just can't come into my kingdom and crown yourself. Like, we need to talk about it. Like, nigga, I've been on this bitch for, you hear me? Going on 3-ball, nigga. I'm shit. It's me. I felt disrespected. We the #1 family. Hold on, bruh. I be saying I'm one of the tops. I don't even be taking it, bitch. I'm one of the tops. But when y'all start putting y'all thesis on it, I gotta come back. My family don't like me being disrespected. We earned our right to say we #1. Everybody know about the church. These are facts. What's his ID? I'll line him. What's his ID? I fucked with him when he got on the app. You feel me? I ain't no hater. But listen. Who? Man, I'll line with anybody. I want to line with Charli, but he's scared to really get into this tea. Your tea watered down. That ain't no green tea. That tea got too much sugar in it, bitch. On my kids, go to Walmart and look at any TV you want, then go look at a motherfucking TCL. I bet you the TCL cheaper than every TV. He went and got the cheapest big TV he could get. But you eating it. You went and got the cheapest big TV you can get. You looking up niggas' jury, look up your TV. You got the cheapest big TV you can get. And you only got one big TV. Shut your stupid ass up. In 1-bedroom house, you're supposed to have a whole bunch of big TVs. You got one big TV. One. Do this, Charli. I'll pay you some attention. Do this. Do this. Let me see what 75 inches look like in your shit. And then walk out that room you in and take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And show me the same TV again. Then I'll believe you, because the barbershop looking way better than your shit. The barbershop looking better than your shit. We watching this in the barbershop, my nigga. Fuck is you talking about? You eating it? Show me the bag. Got a movie screen upstairs, boy. It's 86 inches in that bedroom. My kids' TV, your TV size. Fuck is you talking about? There's 5 of these big motherfuckers. Everything smart as fuck. No stupid TVs in the house, nigga. You ain't eating shit. Nah, I ain't the host. Don't forget to mention, I ain't the host. Take 3 big steps and be in a barbershop with the same TV, bitch. Different channel. Fuck is you talking about? Eating it. Ain't no TCLs in here. Ain't no tender care love TVs in here. You better take tender care of that motherfucker if you love it. That motherfucker go out, bitch. My jury, boy, get your weak ass out of here. The jury, boy, shut your bitch ass up. Exactly. Exactly. Who is this? I go to his live and holler at him. Mine. You feel me? Shit. Hello?
My bad.
Okay, yo bad. I told you, Turk motivated me when he showed that 100 bands and said I'll go get 200. I gotta get back to the drawing board. I ain't no hater. I don't hate on no nigga. Get your bag. That's what it's about. But hey, money don't make you a real nigga. You feel me? Not saying you ain't real, but money ain't make me the king. You feel me? If the king was based on your income, shit, ain't no telling who had a crown. The king is the motherfucker that everybody follow, support, and no go keep it 100 at all times. And I've been doing this a little longer. I don't come into no job a year after the motherfucking CEO and call me. You can be a king too, but we can't be. It's only one king of the app. Right now, that's the pastor. I don't know what the future holds, but right now, I'm him. These are facts. What's his ID? I ain't said nothing bad about Turk.